Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very nice bounce on this one today. And when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but the price was able to fight and battle back up to close much higher than where it was at its lows. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But my point here was it did make a nice upwards movement, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 22.5 cents. Now, why is 22.5 important? And I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation purposes, if the price were to come down to 22.5 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 22.5 cents. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch closely is going to be that purple line right there, which is the very well-known, very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued at 24 cents. So watch that in the near term. But overall, key dynamic here by far is the very impressive bounce that occurred. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum going into Friday and then next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.